In today's video, we are going to show you how to play CHESS960 on chess.com. If you are tired of memorized openings and want something fresh, this variant is perfect for you. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and I want you to click the play option here in the left side panel of your dashboard because this will open multiple options for you. All I have to do is super simple. Click the chess variants because this is a fun way for you to play chess.com and hover to the CHESS960. Before you begin playing, there are a couple of options on the drop-down menu. You can choose from a 10 to 15, a 10-minute play, 5 minutes. It's up to you. Okay, you also can play with incrementals. In this instance, I'm gonna choose 5 minutes. Now you can choose and use the search bar here if you wanted to play with a friend or versus random. All I have to do is click the play button. Okay, and then here you can start chatting with your opponent if you want. And of course, you need to make sure to create your first opening. Now remember, in CHESS960 follows special rules. Even though the starting position is random, the king and rook always land on the same squares after castling. So always watch where the king and rook ends up before making that move. And basically that's it for today's video on how to play CHESS960 on chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.